How to write a business plan. You undoubtedly already know that creating a business plan is one of the first steps to take if you're interested in opening your own company. But what ought to be in a business plan? How much detail is necessary? Do you need to first conduct research? Don't worry. Below, we'll address all of your inquiries and guide you through the entire process of creating your first business plan. 1. Analyze the markets that could be relevant to your company. Take into account the type of local and/or foreign people that will be interested in using your goods or services. This requires accurate and thoughtful study in addition to more than just conjecture. In addition to gathering primary research yourself using your own methodologies and observations, you must also assess secondary data gathered by third parties. 2. The size of your potential market should be determined. It's critical to be as descriptive as you can when describing your product and target market. You might think that every dirty body needs your soap, for instance, if you want to start a business, but you can't target the entire world at first. Even if you've created a product that everyone needs, like soap, you still need to first identify a smaller, more niche market, like kids under 8 who would enjoy bubblegum-scented bubble bath or soap designed for mechanics. 3. Identify the first demands of your organization. What will you need in order to begin? Make a list of the supplies you'll need whether you want to start your own business or buy an existing one with 300 employees and add a second phone line to your home office desk. Some may be material, like 500 file folders and a sizable cabinet to store them all. Other requirements might be immaterial, like the amount of time needed to design a product or conduct market research on potential buyers. 4. Get product samples ready. You may have built a prototype for a better mousetrap using bent paper clips and used toothpaste tubes at home. But you'll need a more durable model to show potential investors if you want them to invest in your business. What will the precise design of your mousetrap be? What supplies will you require? Do you need funding for research and development in order to improve your toothpaste tube and paperclip construction from the beginning? 5. Do some research on potential sites for your company. Speak with a real estate agent and visit actual retail locations in the area where you want to launch your restaurant. Make a table listing the most and least expensive sites according to square footage and location. Next, calculate how much space you'll need and how much you'll need to set aside for rent. 6. Set a budget for your startup costs. Make a list of all the material and intangible resources you will require to launch your company. Whether you're purchasing very complex machines or merely setting up a new phone line on your desk, the sum total projected cost of all of these things will serve as your startup cost. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.